Traders, this video is related to the Forex Gold Xauusd overall trend in 2025 suggested by my automated Forex AI trading robot expert advisor. Please watch this video until end. Very important video for long-term swing trading signal for gold Xauusd in 2025.
The current forecast for gold, XAUUSD, is showing mixed signals, with the price recently retreating from all-time highs reached earlier in the week. Here's a breakdown of the current situation and forecasts. Current price and recent activity. As of Monday, April 14th, 2025, gold surged to an all-time high of around $3,230, minus $3,246 during the Asian session. Currently, as of Tuesday morning, April 15, 2025, the price has retreated slightly, trading around the $3,220 minus $3,236 range. This pullback is attributed to improved risk sentiment and a slight rebound in the US dollar. Factors influencing the forecast. US dollar weakness. The recent surge in gold prices was significantly supported by a weakening US dollar. Tariff uncertainty. Ongoing back and forth on U.S. President Trump's tariff policies creates uncertainty in the global economic outlook, underpinning gold's safe haven appeal. Geopolitical risks. Escalating trade tensions between the U.S. and China continue to support gold's safe haven status. U.S. Treasury yields. After a significant rise, U.S. Treasury yields have stabilized, offering some support to the U.S. dollar. Central bank buying. Strong central bank demand for gold remains a supportive factor. Inflation data. Recent U.S. inflation data has contributed to gold's rally. Upcoming economic data and events. Investors are closely watching upcoming U.S. retail sales data and remarks from Federal Reserve officials, which could influence interest rate expectations and market volatility. China's trade balance report will also be a key focus. Analyst forecasts. Bullish outlook. Many analysts maintain a bullish outlook on gold for the remainder of 2025. Some predict gold could reach $3,500 by the end of the year. UBS. Deutsche Bank has raised its average gold price forecasts for 2025 to $3,139 per ounce. Goldman Sachs Research forecasts gold to rise to $3,100 a troy ounce by the end of 2025. With the potential to reach $3,300 if uncertainty remains high. Light Finance's technical analysis suggests a potential range of $3,194 minus $3,389 for December 2025, with a maximum of $3,275 for the year. JP Morgan Research forecasts prices to rise towards $3,000 per ounce by the fourth quarter of 2025. RoboForex suggests gold could potentially reach $3,700. Technical analysis. Technical indicators currently show strong bullish momentum, with the price trading above key moving averages. However, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicates overbought conditions in some analyses, suggesting a possibility of further consolidation or minor pullbacks in the short term. Key resistance levels to watch are around $3,248 to $3,256, with potential targets of $3,297 and $3,342 if these are breached. Support levels are around $3,214. Key takeaways. Gold has experienced a significant rally, reaching new all-time highs. The current forecast remains generally bullish for the rest of 2025, driven by factors like U.S. dollar weakness, geopolitical tensions, and central bank demand. However, short-term pullbacks are possible as the market digests recent gains and reacts to new economic data and events. Technical indicators suggest strong bullish momentum, but also indicate potential overbought conditions, warranting some caution in the short term. It's important to remember that these forecasts are based on current information and analysis, and the actual price of gold can be volatile and influenced by unforeseen events.
For more updates, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.